Well, they tried and tried again, but for the IndyCar teams hoping to test on the IMS road course this week, the cold turned out to be a reason to pack it up and move on. Thursday, more than 20 teams hoped to get on the road course. Today, it was only the Andretti and Meyer-Shank teams left, but a damp track and temperatures that did not get much past 40 degrees canceled those plans. IndyCar only allows 4 test days per team all season, so today's decision was more about saving one for a better day.
You want to make sure that they're going to be worthwhile. As soon as a car leaves pit lane, it counts for the whole team. So you wouldn't want to do that and then realize that what you're doing is counterproductive and could actually lead you down a wrong road for the race weekend.
The tires are not meant to work in these conditions. They're supposed to work at 80, 90 degrees. So you're not going to learn extremely good things. I would have loved to drive. I'm ready to drive. It's not a problem. The car can run, but it's just not valuable information.